What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Wan 2.2. So Wan 2.2 is a powerful open source AI video generation model developed by Alibaba's AI research teams. It's designed to turn text prompts or images into short, high-quality videos using advanced AI architectures, and it aims to make cinematic-style video creation accessible to creators, developers, and businesses without needing expensive proprietary APIs or software. Wan 2.2 supports generating video clips directly from text prompts, still images, and even hybrid inputs. The model focuses on producing videos with fluid motion and minimal artifacts, reward physics and lighting effects, and multiple aspect ratio, up to 720p resolution at 24 frames per second. This makes output suitable for social media, ads, or creative storytelling. Compared with many open models, Wan 2.2 is optimized for speed, generating short clips in minutes or modern consumer GPUs. Because Wan 2.0 is open under a permissive license, developers can download the model in waves, integrate it into custom workflows, and modify or certain parts of the model. That makes it attractive for researchers, experimentation, and commercial projects without platform lock-in. So, it is open source and commercial friendly, which means it's free and licensing lets individuals, companies use it without subscription fees. Compared to earlier open models, it delivers better motion consistency and detail, and it runs on consumer GPUs and cloud platforms, allowing DIY use or integration in apps, and text and image inputs lets creators choose how to start their video project. But, on the other hand, most implementations focus on short clips, from 5 to 6 seconds longer. Videos or higher frame rates may require future updates or more computing power. Standard production quality is currently up to 720p. This is good for social platforms, but not yet true 1080p or higher without specialized variants. As with all text-to-video AI, the clarity and detail of your prompt affects result heavily. Longer, better structured prompts usually delivered more coherent videos. So, after all, Wan 2.0 is one of the strongest open-source text-to-video models available. It combines cinematic quality, efficient performance, and flexibility for creators and developers. While it's still limited to short clips and standard definition by default, it's impressive for being free, open, and continually improving, especially when compared with closed commercial models. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.